Venkatesh. Welcome to Venki's Emerging Edge YouTube channel. So today we are mainly focused on different classification algorithms based on distance. That means this is completely nearest neighbors. Nearest neighbors. Clear distance means nearest neighbors. Okay. So what are different types of classification algorithms? First check it. The first one is nearest neighbor classification algorithm. Is it clear? The second one is k nearest neighbors. K means given some constant value. The third one is weighted k nearest neighbors classification. Next one is tree based. Next one is tree based classification. Next one is branch and bound classification. Next one is leadership clustering. Is it clear? Clustering. Next one is radius based classification. So this all our main theme is to find the distance. All our classification algorithms based on distance only. So distance means here distance we are mainly focused about Minkowski formula. It is one of the metrics. What is the formula? So d of x comma y equal to sigma of I equal to 1 to k, then xk minus yk whole power 1 by r. That means this is a Minkowski. So in which we are following r equal to 2, then it is called a Euclidean distance. R is equal to, this is called a equivalent distance. So we are applying of R equal to 2, then find the distance, then only we are go for a classification algorithms. Is it clear? These are different types of classification algorithms. Now we discuss on each and every algorithm with the probability sums. Okay. First one, nearest neighbor. Nearest neighbor classification. So first of all, we take the data set x1 2 comma 3 x2 3 comma 1 x3 4 comma 1 x4 3 comma 2 x5 2 comma 2 x6 1 comma 2. Is it clear? So these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 different samples of data set. X1 is related to C1 class, X2 related to C1 class, X3 related to class 2, this is a class 2, this is a class 2, this is a class 1. That means in which data set is nearly 6 samples of data set and number of classes. What are the number of classes? 2 classes, class 1 and class 2. Clear? So here new data item. What is saying? New data item is like a T is related to a 4 comma 4. Here my question is, so the T is a new data item related to which class? Which class? That means either class 1 or class 2. We can categorize the which class. Then we are using of one of the classification algorithm is a nearest neighbors. Oh, okay. So now this is which class? So that is my problem. So which class? So now we are applying of nearest neighbors. So how can apply nearest neighbors means we can need to find out the distance from t comma x1. Next t comma x2. Next t comma x3. Next t comma x4. Next t comma x5. Next t comma x6. We'll find the nearest. nearest neighbors. So what is the formula? We know that what is the formula means. Simply say the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is a summation of all the elements. Clear? But we are taking the first two elements, so that's why what is the distance between t comma x1. So for example, so distance value is equal to 2. Here distance value is equal to root 2. Here distance value is equal to 3. Here distance value is equal to 4. Here so t comma x4 4, t comma x5 6, t comma x6 is equal to 8. For example, what is the distance of t? That means the distance between 4 comma 4 and 2 comma 3. When I am applying of equivalent distance, then I got it maybe a 2. So these all the values get a distance. So t1, so x1, so which class? C1 class. x2, which class? C1 class. x3, which class? C2 class. x4, which class? C2 class. x5, which class? C2 class. x6, which class? C1 class. Is it clear? So in which one is less distance? So this is a less distance. Yes? No. What is the value of root 2? 1.414. So that's why T2 is a less distance. T2 is a less distance. T comma x2 is a less distance. So that's why the x2, this is x2 is which class? C1 class. So that's why finally what I saying, our new data item 4 comma 4 is related to a C2 class only. This is my final answer. Is it clear? This is a nearest neighbors. So here we need to find out the all the sample data set to the new data items. Find the distance. Then out of this distance, which one is less? Then only given that is related to which class. That class is assigned to the new data items. Is it clear? Okay.